children. Good morning, children. Yes, good morning. Today I am going to teach you this first lesson, second part. Okay, children. Everyone, open your textbook page number 8. Yes, children, you have to open this textbook page number 8. Yes, you have to write now this identity card. Complete the ID card. So we should write the, yes children, what identity card means. Listen children, full details in that card. Yes, understood children? What is the child name, school name, date of birth and place. The details are there in the identity card. Yes children, you all having identity cards now? Yes. Everyone, open your textbook page number 8. Yes children? Yes. Yes children. This is identity card. In your book this box is there children. Yes. You have to write this school name. SCHOOL. School name. Okay. NAME. Name. Okay. Yes. Yes. You should write this. Write your school name. Yes. Our school name is Saint Sai Grammar, no? Yes. ST Saint Sai Grammar High School. Okay children, this is our school name. Yes. Then school ID card. See children, this is your photo. This is your photo. SCHOOL. School ID card children. Identity card. Identity card. CARD card. Okay. This is your identity card. It is your photo. Okay. This is photo. Yes. Then your class children. CLAS. Class. Class 1 you should write children. In your book also this identity card is there. Page number 8. You open and take pencil and write this. Okay children? Yes. You all are studying first class now? Yes. Write down your class 1. Yes. Rule number children. ROOL. Rule number. Here write your rule number. Yes. In this book Raju rule number is 5. Yes. Name is right children. NAME. Name. Name is Raju. 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 Okay. And date of birth. DATE. Date of birth. Yes children. You are right. Raju's date of birth children. Yes. He is 5th July 7th month 5th July 2015. Yes. Write your roll number, write your name. This class only same. Everyone should write this first class. You all are first class children. So same school, same class, and paste your photo here. Write your roll number, write your name, write your date of birth. Understood, children? Yes. Come on. Next. Yes, children, things we like to do. Yes, I like to cycle and play with my toys. I also like to watch television. The things that we enjoy the most are our favorite things. I like drawing in my free time. It is my hobby. Yes, children, in holidays like Sunday also, so children, what you will do after writing, reading, after finishing study hours, you should play, you watch the TV, you have to sing, you have to dance, you have to swim. Understood, children? Some children have some particular hobbies. Hobbies means children, some children are cycling, some children are dancing, some children are singing, some children are playing with toys. Understood? Yes, some children are going to play in the park. Okay, that is their hobbies. Understood, children? Every child has one hobby. Understood? Yes. My hobby is reading the books. Yes. So, Sita has that hobby is writing. And Raju is there now in our class. His hobby is watching television. Yes. Okay, children? Yes. Yes. Okay, children? Next, turn the page. Yes. List your favorite things in your table. Yes, children, page number 9 open. Yes, page number 9 open and see here. Yes, in your book, you have to write this. Yes, children. Okay, children. Yes, game. Yes, write your game. What you play, what you like to play. That game you should write here. Yes, Raju is playing. Um, he is playing cricket. Cricket. Raju is playing cricket. His hobby is reading books. Hobby. Hobby. Yes, children, write your hobby here. Not Raju hobby. Raju is reading the books. Reading. Raju hobby is reading the books. What hobby you are having? You write your hobby here. Food. Yes. What food you will like to eat? Yes. Favorite food. What favorite food? What your favorite food you write in this box. Raju likes very much idli. Okay? Yes. Okay. Dress, children. Dress. Yes. Yes. What dress you will like, you write in this your dress. Okay? Yes. Pant, pant. Shirt and shirt. Okay? Raju favorite dress is pant and shirt. Yes. Raju favorite book is in your book your favorite game. Write your hobby. Write your food. Write your dress. Write your book. Okay, children? Not same like that. You should not copy. Your favorite hobbies you write in your book. Okay, children? Yes. Yes. Okay. Friends, okay, we call children this. Friends study and play together and help each other. Yes, children, you must do this. Yes, children, together if you play, you will get more enjoy. If you read together, you will get answers easily. Okay, children, yes, you must follow this. And the things we enjoy doing the most are our favorite things. The things we enjoy doing the most, our favorite things. Okay, children? You also, yes, and thinking also, all should together think and you most favorite things. Okay, we all are enjoying. Okay, children? If we together, we will enjoy so much. A hobby is something we like to do in our free time. Yes, children, our hobbies are there now. Yes, children, every child has one hobby. Yes, children, that hobbies when you have to do. Yes, in free time you have to do that. Do that. Yes, Raju is there now. His hobby is reading the books. Yes, he is reading in his free time. Okay, understood? Yes. Okay, children. And okay, children. This workout. This page number 9 you open and write this. Okay, children. As sentences are there, you have to underline correct word, correct answer. Yes, children. Yes, children, I am writing this. Underline the correct answer. Two answers are there. Two options are there. You have to select one correct answer and underline in that. Okay, children? Yes, yes. A bit. Okay? Underline the correct word. Correct answer. Okay, children? Yes. First one. First one. Friends play. Friends play. Friends play together or alone. Yes, children, you have to say this. Friends play together or alone. Friends play together only. Yes, correct answer is together. You have to underline this word. First one over, second one. A pet name is is not a nickname. Yes, children. A pet name is not a nickname. Okay, children. Write this. Third one is our hobbies. Our hobbies, okay, are, come on, write down, children. Yes, children. This you see, a pet name is a nickname. Okay, children? Yes. Third one is our hobbies are the things. No need to write this, children. Things we like. See in your book already it is there. Night or our free time. Yes, children, our hobbies are the things we like to do during night, our free time. Yes, see, children, in our free time we have to do our hobbies. Okay, children, you should underline. Only you have to do these underlines. That's all. In your book, it is there. Matter is there. The things, the things, the things that we enjoy the latest, most are our favorite things. Are our favorite things. Okay, children? Yes, the things that we enjoy the least are our favorite things, most our favorite things. The things that we enjoy most are favorite things. Okay, children? Most. Okay, you have to underline this. Yes, children, everyone, you copy this. Yes, you have to underline together is free, our free time and most. Okay, children? Yes. Yes, everyone, you have to complete this in the textbook A bit and B bit is there, children. Join the numbers to complete the picture and color it. This is homework for you, children. Yes, understood? Numbers are there. See in your book B bit. you have to join these numbers and color it. That is homework, children. Beep it. Okay. Yes, turn the page. Turn the page, children. See if it is there. Okay, children. Turn the page. Beep it is there. See if it is there, children. Yes or no? See the right, yes or no. Okay, children. First one. See, children. I wear glasses. I wear glasses. Yes, children. If you wear glasses, you write first one. Yes. If not wear, write no. That is, you think and write, children. Second one, I have a nickname. Yes, children. If you have, see, children, if you have nickname, write yes. If don't have nickname, no. You think and write this, children. Yes. Third one. Third one. Yes, children. I have a hobby. Yes, children. You have a hobby. You write yes here. If not, write no. Fourth one, children. I have curly hair. Okay, children. If you have curly hair, otherwise you have straight hair, you write. If you have curly hair, write yes. Otherwise, write no. Understood? Yes. And this life skills and values, children. Here you have to see this. What makes you happy or sad? Write H for happy, yes for sad. And next to the press. Okay, children. Yes, you have to think this. Having a toothache. If you have toothache, if you have a toothache, you feel happy or sad? Yes. You feel sad, no? It is paining, no? That is sad. So, you should write here 1, 2, first one, second one, third one, fourth one. 4 options are there, children, here. Yes. Okay, children, first one, sad. Yes. Second one, getting wet in the rain. Sorry. Getting wet in the rain. That is happy, no? Everyone enjoy, no? Yes. That is H. H for happy, S for sad. Okay, children? Yes. Being ugly. That is sad. Yes for sad. Yes, children? Eating a chocolates. Yes, no, it is very happy now. Everyone is eating chocolates. That is happy. Yes, children, enjoy this. Make a card for your friend. Take a drawing. Take a drawing sheet and cut it from the top corners. Yes, children, drawing sheets you will get drawing sheets like that. You take one drawing sheet and cut corners, children. Upside two sides corners you have to cut. Ask an adult to help you make a hole in your top. Yes, children, and draw something that you think your friend will like on the card. Yes. Tie a ribbon around the hole and gift it to your friend. Yes, children, you look here. You also make this card and give to your friend. Understood, children? Yes. I have finished this lesson. Listen, children. You have to write today's your Sakshi. Understood, children? Come on, write down. Sakshi. Everyone should write this. Yes, children. This first page. Yes, children. This first page, page number 9. Same, not same as class 1. Yes, children. Textbook. TB. Textbook. Page number 9. Textbook page number 9. A bit, writing, write one time, write one time, okay, write one time, okay children, yes, A bit, you have to copy this, understood children, yes, this A bit you write this in your CW book children, yes, this is first lesson finished, okay children, we will meet you next class children, till then bye, take care children.